I've installed VMware Player and I'm going to make a new virtual machine using the Fedora 13 installation disk. I've put the disk into the drive already, and now I'm going to create a new virtual machine here. And I need to choose the option of using a physical medium, and they have it listed here. There would be a list of different media that I could possibly use. Anyway, so now I'm going to give it a name. I prefer to give virtual machines a name that kind of describes it. So it's a Fedora, it has a gigabyte of RAM, it has a 40 gig hard drive, and so I'm going to use that all in the machine name. So this is the name that VMware will be using, and it will put it into a folder in this location in my documents. I actually don't want to do that. For myself, I generally make a folder called VMX in my C drive, and I put everything there. You don't have to do it this way, it's just a peculiarity of mine. And now I need to copy this name and put a backslash and paste it in here. That way it will be installed into that folder. I want a 40 gigabyte hard drive. It almost doesn't matter. It is going to be broken up into a number of different smaller files. That's a really good idea. And here's some information about the machine configuration. And I'm going to turn this off. I don't want it to launch right away. I'd like to have the option for now. And if I wanted to, let's see now, click finish. Wait, no, I can, okay. I can modify the hardware if I wanted to. If I felt like adding a new disk, here I can change the amount of memory that's allocated for it. Type of processor. Here's my optical drive that has the installation medium. It's going to start up on power on, because that's what it will boot to the first time. I don't want a floppy drive, so I deleted it. And I don't want it to automatically load up any USB or Bluetooth connections right away. And for my purposes, I'm going to have the monitor set a little bit small. I'm going to choose 1024 by 768, which is a respectable size, but still smaller than my actual physical monitor. And so we'll go. And now, if I wanted to, I could take a look in the folder. C VMX. There it is. And now here we have the all the files that make up the virtual machine. The VMX file that describes the thing. VMDK, those are the files that will make up the hard drive image. And these files are all kind of small because there's no data inside them. And if I want to, I can right click on this, the VMX file. I can open it with Notepad because it's all text. This file is just a text listing of the configuration for this machine. things like machine name and whether it has a disk, a SCSI disk present, and the name of the file, and so on and so forth. What's interesting is that in VMware, I could actually edit this text file if I wanted to, in order to change some of the options or some of the hardware parameters of my machine. I could just change them right here if I knew what any of these things mean. Oh, there it is. Floppy is false, so it has no floppy disk. So we'll start it up.